If you want serious cleaning power without dealing with gas, oil, or engine maintenance, an electric pressure washer could be the perfect solution. Today, we're reviewing the Greenworks 3000 PSI Brushless Electric Pressure Washer, a high-powered outdoor cleaning machine designed for driveways, patios, decks, vehicles, siding, and other tough cleaning jobs. With up to 3000 PSI, 2.0 GPM maximum water flow, and a brushless motor, this machine promises strong cleaning performance with the convenience of electric power. But is it powerful enough to replace a gas pressure washer? Let's find out. The Greenworks 3000 PSI pressure washer is designed for homeowners who want more cleaning power than a basic electric pressure washer can provide. The biggest advantage is the combination of high pressure and 2.0 GPM water flow, giving you the power needed to tackle dirt, mud, grime, mildew, and other buildup around the home. Because it's electric, there's no gasoline to store, no oil changes, and no engine starting procedure. Simply connect your water supply, plug it into the appropriate outdoor power source, and you're ready to clean. Let's start with the motor. The brushless motor is one of the key highlights of this pressure washer. Brushless technology is designed for efficient operation and reduced mechanical wear compared with traditional brushed motors. The machine delivers up to 3000 psi of pressure and up to 2.0 gallons per minute, giving it considerably more cleaning capability than many entry-level electric models. That makes it suitable for demanding residential jobs such as cleaning concrete driveways, patios, fences, decks, outdoor furniture, siding, and vehicles. For homeowners who want serious cleaning power without switching to gas, this combination is particularly appealing. Another major advantage is the convenience of electric operation. Unlike a gas pressure washer, you don't have to deal with fuel, exhaust, carburetors, or routine engine maintenance. The electric design also makes it easier to use for shorter cleaning sessions when you simply want to wash a vehicle, clean a patio, or remove dirt from outdoor surfaces. Its pressure and water flow combination also gives you the flexibility to handle both general cleaning and tougher buildup. Of course, when working with high-pressure water, it's important to choose the correct spray pattern and maintain a safe distance from delicate surfaces. In real-world residential cleaning, the Greenworks 3000 PSI pressure washer is designed to provide strong and consistent cleaning power. The high pressure helps break up stubborn dirt and grime, while the 2.0 GPM water flow helps rinse loosened debris away. It's particularly useful for large outdoor surfaces where a lightweight garden hose simply isn't enough. The brushless electric motor also means you get the convenience of push-button style electric operation without the noise and maintenance associated with many gas machines. However, there's an important distinction. The 3000 psi rating is a maximum rating, and actual cleaning performance depends on the nozzle, water supply, surface, and operating conditions. So, is the Greenworks 3000 psi brushless electric pressure washer worth buying? If you're a homeowner looking for powerful residential cleaning performance without the hassle of gas, this is definitely an option worth considering. The combination of 3000 psi maximum pressure, 2.0 GPM water flow, brushless motor technology, and convenient electric operation makes it well suited for driveways, patios, decks, vehicles, siding, and general outdoor maintenance. Its biggest advantage is convenience. You get serious cleaning capability without fuel, exhaust, or traditional engine maintenance. The main limitation is that it remains an electric pressure washer, so professionals needing continuous heavy-duty commercial performance may still prefer a commercial gas-powered machine. But for homeowners who want powerful, convenient, and relatively low-maintenance outdoor cleaning equipment, the Greenworks 3000 PSI Brushless Electric Pressure Washer is a strong choice. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of pressure washers, outdoor power equipment, home improvement tools, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.